Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use BandLab virtual instruments. BandLab is a free cloud-based digital audio workstation that lets you record, edit and mix directly on PC browser, and one of its most powerful features is virtual instruments, which allows you to play piano, synths, drums, guitars and more using your keyboard MIDI controller. So in order to use BandLab virtual instruments, you need to open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top you can find this address bar. Type down bandlab.com and enter it, and over here in the top right you can either create or you can also go to the draft project, as I'm going to select this draft project here, and it will automatically take you to this studio as well. In order to add a virtual instrument, you can select this add track in the top left corner here, and over here you can select this virtual instruments, and under this instrument you can choose the keyboard. You can select the smart keys mode as well, and you can also go to this instrument selection. You can select your mellow EP, lofi, piano and other instrument as well, and that is it. After you're done, you can save it in the top right corner, and that is it. This is how you can use BandLab virtual instruments. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.